Hello everyone and welcome back to Creator's Kitchen, and today we are going to make you a simple tea for cold. Like the time is coming around and everybody is catching this cold and we all need something to soothe the cold. So we have two simple ingredients really help to soothe your cold and your cough. And also it's ginger and dates, and the dates is really good for the body because it's just natural sugar, so we don't need to add any other ingredients to this. So at the moment we have some dates here and some ginger root, and what we're going to do with this ginger root, we're going to make some tea. So let's go ahead and make the tea. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to cut off move the dates from the chopping board, and we're going to cut our little brown bits off the ginger. I already washed my ginger, so you have that little brown bit. You just cut these off. And you just make sure you get all that little As we wash our ginger and take some of the skin off our ginger, what we're going to do, we're going to just grate the ginger so you get all the flavor from the ginger. And that's the best way. You can chop it, but when you grate the ginger, you get all the flavor from the ginger. So we're just going to grate the ginger. So as we grate the ginger, you're getting all that nicely. It's made the juice left the ginger quite easily. So here, just make sure you have a grater, any grater, and we're going to grate it. So as we grated the ginger, as you can see, we grate much of it. So make sure you have a grater, chopping board, and just wash, peel your ginger and grate it. You get like a bit hairy, which is a bit difficult to grate. Don't worry about that. If it's getting difficult, you don't need. So as we grate our ginger, we're gonna measure to see how much we get from this ginger. So you need about 2 tablespoonfuls of grated ginger, and that's 1. And I hope this one will make it 2 nice full tablespoonfuls of grated ginger. And remember, we had dates. So now we're gonna use about 10 dates. So now guys, we just need a pan, a small pan, and in this pan we're gonna add 2 cups of water. So we had the first cup of water, and this is to make the tea, and the second cup of water. And here we have 2 tablespoonfuls of ginger, and we're just gonna add that to the pan. So we had 2 tablespoons of ginger. And in this we had 9 dry dates. So we're just gonna add that date into the water as well and leave it to boil for about 5 to 7 minutes. So now we're gonna add our dates. Whoops, just a splash there, and you boil the dates. So now everyone, as you can see, the ginger and the date is boiling, so you don't need to add anything to this. Tea is just 2 simple ingredients, and you can see the color of the tea is changed. And all you do, you're gonna run that through a sieve into a cup and let it cool. Let it cool down for about 5 minutes before you drink, because you need to have it really hot. So it's 5 minutes out of your time to boil some lovely tea that will help soothe your cough and your cold. Ginger is good and date is very healthy. And guess what? We had no added ingredients those natural ingredients to help us with our cold, because we are in the season of winter. We get into the time where we get cold, just leaving from the nice sunny to the winter season. So our season bring us something that we all don't like. So get boiling ginger and date, and I hope you enjoy making this video with me today. It's very simple and easy, only take 5 minutes. And let's turn our cocoa juice in. So now that our ginger and date tea is boiled, now we're gonna pour it through a sieve. So as we pour this through a sieve, I have a little sieve because I use it with other stuff. It's gonna be discolored, but don't worry about my discolored sieve. So we're gonna pour. So here, let's pour and get a nice refreshing, and that's the way the date looks after it's boiled. So everyone, after you boil your 2 cups of date and ginger tea, you're only gonna get 1 cup because it's nice, rich, thick, and sweet, and it have that nice spicy taste. It's not a pretty look, but it's a pretty taste and pretty to soothe the throat and help with your cold. Remember, date is healthy and ginger helps a lot with cold. So I hope you enjoy making this date tea, and please drink and tell me how do you like the taste of this date tea and what does it do for you. Thank you for watching. Thanks for making date tea with me today. The date does not look so pretty, but remember, date is nice, not pretty. Enjoy. See you in my next video. Bye. Thanks for watching.